Your seat comes with a bag of parts, either original or a simplified version which has fewer parts. If you have the original version, place the clear ribbed inserts into mounting holes. The seat mounting bases have rubber gaskets built in. Place the mounting bases over the holes in toilet, making sure the posts face the front of the bowl. Place stainless steel washers in mounting base slots and insert screws. Stack washers onto wing nuts and thread onto screws. Insert the screw from the top and slide the wing nut up the length of the screw. Be sure to center the tips of the wing nut into the underside of the mounting hole and push upward while turning the screw from the top. Adjust the mounting bases so that the posts are the correct distance apart. Lower the seat onto the mounting posts to attach the seat. Close lid and adjust seat. Pull the seat forward and make sure the sides align with the bowl. For final tightening, use a screwdriver and hold the wing nuts to prevent turning. Tighten very firmly. Remove your seat using the quick release mechanism. Shown here are the 1 button, 2 button, and 90-degree lift models. Your seat comes with an extra set of mounting base covers. Choose white, color matched, or chrome to match the colors and finishes in your bathroom. Lastly, reattach the seat by aligning the holes with the mounting posts. Then tap the seat forward and watch it close silently and softly by itself. Congratulations, you are now finished.